welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the September Bellabox. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. So as I said in the intro, this is the September Bellabox. This one was delayed with Australia Post at the moment. So I've only just recently got this one, even though it is already October. So I'm excited to see what I got in this month's box. If there is anything that I use prior to posting this, as per usual, I will add a clip and my final thoughts of what I think of it. So let's jump in and open it up. So as per usual, I got my little card telling me what I got in here. And the box is a beautiful blue one this time. So inside I got Pantene Pro V 3-Minute Miracle Daily Moisture Renewal Conditioner. So it looks like this, and it's actually a really big size. I will re-gift this onto someone else because I do have my set shampoo and conditioner that I use. It goes along with what my hairdresser recommends, as well as the psoriasis that I have along my hairline. So I don't want to flare that up by going and using something different. The second product I got in here is from DeWitt, and it's Tough Shield Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer. It's actually a pretty decent size, and we can all use these right now, so that is very exciting to have more of that. So the third product I got was from Garnier Bio, and it's this anti-wrinkle day care. So it's got essential oils and antioxidant vitamin E in it, and it is for all skin types. I will re-gift this one as well, just because I am still not adding in any odd skincare into my routine at the moment. As I've said in a few videos now, my skin was playing up quite a bit. So I've gone back to basics, and I'm not adding anything in that's different for the moment being, just because I don't want to flare it up again, because it did get extremely bad. And it's only just starting to resume to normal, and it's been about a month that I haven't been adding in anything. So the next product I got, which is number 4, is from Wrinkles, Schminkles, and it is a face polishing peel pad. So it's acid exfoliation peel face. So just looks like this. And it does have quite a bit of like glycolic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, malic acid, natural salicylic acid, polyhydroxy acid, and hibiscus flower acid. So I will most likely re-gift this one as well. Just as I said, for the moment being, I don't want to risk adding something and flaring my skin back up. So the fifth product that I got in this month's box is from White Glow, and it's some charcoal deep stain removal toothpaste. So it's extra strength whitening. So I've actually been looking at this for a while now, and I've been wanting to try it. So I'm super excited that I got this a little pack here, because I get very picky about my toothpaste. I don't like anything that's like too strong, and like taste that I don't like will make me like gag or want to vomit. So I don't want to go and spend loads of money on something if I'm not actually going to use it. So I'm excited to try this, but I have definitely been looking for a way that I can whiten my teeth, because I actually have, I don't know if you can see them, I have these white lines on my teeth. So it makes the rest of my teeth look yellow. Those white lines are actually from my asthma. As a kid, I had a lot of antibiotics, a lot of puffers, a lot of nebulizers, and apparently from the Ventolin and Serotype and stuff, popping that on my teeth when I was a kid instead of letting it go into like my lungs, so it caused those lines along there. So unfortunately I'm stuck with them for life, but I don't really like anything too strong on my gums. So yeah, I'm excited to try that and see if it works. So I just wanted to quickly pop in the video of this charcoal toothpaste. First of all, please excuse my appearance. I haven't even finished my coffee this morning yet. I just had a shower and I've washed my hair. Please excuse it. It is very, very frizzy at the moment because I need to finish drying it. It's just air drying at the moment, and straightening it. So I just used the toothpaste for the first time this morning, and so far so good. I, however, can't see like any difference after one use or 1 day's use. So what I will do is I will come back in about a week or so, and I will pop a comment in the comment section or in the description box and let you guys know what I think of it when I have been using it consistently, you know, for like a week or two. So just keep an eye out on that, and yeah, I will let you guys know what I think of it if I see any results when I use it consistently. So far from the first day's use, I can't tell any difference at all in my teeth. It's exactly the same as like a normal toothpaste, so still exactly like normal. I will say that it is not black, it is like a grey toothpaste, and the froth is all like white and everything, so it's not like what you see on, you know, like Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. You get those real like charcoal gross ones where their teeth are like all black. Wasn't anything like that, so I'm super glad for that because I didn't want to be creeped out by it. It was just a very minty taste. It didn't really taste of anything else. I do have a bit of like an aftertaste, or like an texture on like my gums and teeth a little bit, but I think if I rinsed a little bit more than normal, then I would be fine. So yeah, I will just make sure to rinse a little bit more in my next use. And the lucky last product that I got in this month's box is Porefessional, and it's the Pore Primer. So it's smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. Now I've actually been looking at this as well. I've been wanting to try it out and see if it's as good as my e.l.f. pore minimizing primer, or if it's just, you know, hyped up. So I'm super excited to be trying this one out as well and see if this is any better than my trusty e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I have just popped this on my face. That's the Porefessional Pore Primer, and I've just let it dry down for the last few minutes, and I've got to say my face has never felt smoother. It is so soft. It doesn't even like feel like my face. Like I can't feel any sort of like imperfections or anything on my face anymore. No dryness, nothing like that. It dried down super quick, and I think it has done a little bit for my pores as well. Like I can't really see my pores, especially on my nose, where that's where majority of my pores are massive. So I think it's doing really nice. I am going to wear this makeup out today, so I will do a wear test and check in with you guys what my makeup looks like. Hi everyone, so I'm just doing my last check-in for this primer. I have had my makeup on now for about, I think it's been almost 8 hours to the dot of when I put my primer on, or about 7.5 hours like when I finished doing my makeup. So around about 5 hours in, I noticed it started to break down around my nose, and now I do have a little tiny pimple there, and I do sweat on my nose and underneath my eyes with my hot flushes, so a lot of my sweat would have been here. Now I didn't touch it with anything, I didn't apply anything to it, I just, you know, let it dry. I do have like a little fan that I pop on my neck when I'm out and I face it towards me to cool down. And yeah, this is what my makeup is now looking like. So you can see, like, I have these lines here from where I've been like smiling and moving my face, you know, doing weird things with it, like going like this. So you can see the lines of where it is all caked up. And then you can see on along here, and especially here, that I am missing my makeup from there. So I definitely still think my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer is much better with keeping my makeup intact. I would say that if you don't have hot flushes, you could probably get away with this primer. It is absolutely beautiful when you first apply it. It just doesn't work for me. You can also see here where the makeup has like lifted and like crumbled into that little area. So that is the 6 products that I got in this month's Bellabox. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. If you're new, don't forget to join the family. Press that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!